Hi everyone, Agnes here. This meditation comes from Catherine Ponder, and it's from her book, The Dynamic Laws of Prosperity. It is a meditation that has helped me to attract the most wonderful relationship I've ever had, firstly with myself, and then with my partner, the wonderful man in my life. So now just get comfortable and begin to just be aware of your breathing in and out, in and out, in and out. You can now begin deliberately generating love for God, for yourself, and for mankind from within your own being. By doing so, you will unfailingly draw the perfect expressions of love into your own life. The time has come for you to realize that you should express the desire for love from within outward toward God, yourself, and your fellow man. A loving Father can do for you only what He can do through you. It is through your own thoughts, feelings, and expectations that love is born. As you deliberately express love, it comes back to you multiplied. Take conscious control of your thoughts and feelings, and begin now to develop an impersonal consciousness of love, knowing that it is the quickest way to solve your own problems, as well as a powerful way of helping mankind. You can do this in a very simple way. Begin spending a few moments each day deliberately generating love. In those times, affirm, with God's help, I am now deliberately and joyously radiating divine love to myself, my world, and to all mankind. Ask daily that divine love be made alive in you. Form the mental picture of yourself as healthy, prosperous, illumined, harmonized, blessed, unfettered, and unbound. Quietly love that mental picture by affirming, I let divine love now be made alive in me. In these periods when you deliberately bring alive and generate love, do so in this way. Think of love as being a radiant light that unfolds, brightens, illumines, and uplifts you. Think of love as permeating, penetrating, and saturating your whole being. If there are dark, troublesome areas in your life, deliberately think of them as coming alive with the light of divine love and being divinely adjusted. Continue in your meditation period to put forth the thought, feeling, and enlightened picture of love upon yourself and the world. There is no reason for feeling guilty about loving yourself. You cannot love others or radiate love outwards until you love yourself and feel it within. Love begins at home, within you. Psychiatry explains the need for love and appreciation. When Jesus said, "Love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, soul, and mind," referring to man's loving the God nature within himself, as well as a universal God. Dare to consciously love yourself. Love your life and affairs. Love every little bit of good in all. In your time of generating love, particularly dare to love any part of the body that is crying out for healing. Boldly declare to it, "I love you." Dare to direct love to any situation in your life that seems difficult. Think of this situation and affirm, "Let divine love be made alive in thee now." When you have sufficiently gained a mental picture or satisfying feeling of the light of love flooding your whole being, you can know that you have generated and released the greatest power on earth into every phase of your mind, body, and affairs. The light of love shall shine forth as new energy, new peace of mind, new power and dominion, new poise, new beauty, new prosperity, new harmony, indeed, as new good in every phase of your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. From Catherine Ponder's book, The Dynamic Laws of Prosperity. Pages 214 to 216. Lots of love.